actually, this is the old person's way of doing it. Now the kids, by the way, if you don't watch TikTok, they're going like this, which is like a lot more work than this. But anyways, or if you're cool like me, happy Valentine's Day. Okay, I had an idea and I wanted to do it for the TLP collab, which happened last Sunday. And by the way, check that out if you haven't. I did a really cute heart. But my Patreon members nixed my original idea and they were nervous, which I understand because it was hard to explain anyways. So I'm gonna do it today for Valentine's Day. But let me tell you, and I don't even think I'm gonna bloom. It's more of like a craft, maybe. Okay, so I want it to be very like dark and stormy for Valentine's Day for some reason. So on Amazon, and I'll put the link to this in my Amazon storefront in the description. I felt like I was getting married again, so I ordered black roses, okay? And it came like this, how cute. So these are really nice and thick. So they came with stems and I cut off, they're very thin stems. I cut them off and cut off the green. So we're just flat, okay? And they're very sturdy. Aren't they pretty? So my idea, and again, I'm not sure how I'm gonna do it, is I'm gonna thicken up some TLP Grenache, okay? And I'm going to somehow, I'm not sure, dip my rose into it, and then like it will be dripped down red sparkles, okay? Then I'm gonna make enough to make a heart, okay? And perhaps I'll leave other ones plain, so I have this. So if I make a heart with the roses dripping red, and then in this part here and like in the corners will be plain black. And then originally I was gonna put it on a square and swipe the back of the square, or really what I wanted to have a matte background. So I might still do that. I don't know. What do you guys think? Is it too weird? Is it too simple? I don't, people were scared. But anyways, I guess what we'll do is we will mix this up, and like, am I just doing my bloom recipe? I guess that's the easiest, right? I don't know. Because if I do just josonja, it'll be too thin, I think. Okay, let's try. Okay, I think I've decided I'm gonna try our liquid glass. You can get it at Floetrol company. I know it's clear and it's a little thicker than josonja. So I'm gonna take my thing. I just poured it just to practice in like this little thing right here. Okay, I'm just gonna like, I don't know, dip it. Okay, I'm gonna go put her down, see how she dries, and then maybe we'll do the rest. Be right back. Okay, here they are, still wet. I'm gonna assume they're gonna dry darker, like I see some darker parts, so it's probably gonna be just like sparkle, but not as vibrant red. So we'll see if we like that, but so far it kind of looks cool. All right, I'll show you what we're gonna do when they dry. Okay guys, I've been thinking what to do, and I just came up with this. So I have these, which I'll never use. I got these Fluid Art pour boards, and they have like a lip. So for blooming, it doesn't really work for me. So the back though is nice and cradled. So I'm gonna take my matte spray paint, okay? I'm going to spray it. I've already prepared it here to make sure it works. Okay, so here they all fit in a little box. And wouldn't it be cool if, so imagine the black background, and wouldn't it be cool if I took more Grenache and have it kind of, like spill over, so you still see some really sparkly red spilling over the matte black? I don't know. Is this too plain? Like, I think it's kind of cool because like, oh, you can keep this box forever. Like, it's not fluid art and it's not like art. It's more of like a craft, right? for like a moody Valentine's idea. I think I like it. Let's try it out.
Hey guys, we're in the kitchen today. You may have not seen this place. This is our kitchen. So, you know, Lisa, the beautiful woman over here, said that she is going to spray paint this, but she already spray painted the roses, so one step down. And
okay,
yeah.
So this is what I have done. I've spray painted it, and I did a top coat of a matte spray paint on top. So before I start gluing these gorgeous roses with some Gorilla Glue, yeah, look at that. Thank you. Okay, that's good. I have already stamped the back with my gorgeous stamp, and I bought these two sawtooth thingies that I'm going to put in. Now I'm going to have these on my Amazon link, so that's in the description. So I'm going to saw this in so it's nice and can be hanging nicely. Then I'm going to flip it over and we'll start gluing. Okay, so I took my Gorilla Glue, which always works well, and I figured I would just do a little dot on the back and glue it down. Maybe I should speed up this part. I'll speed up the rest. And then I realized, you know what? I want to make sure it's super secure. So what I eventually do, if I hurry up, is I make a little line like that. And then I stick the rest on, and that's it. Something cool to do would also, I was thinking, there's so many things you can do, but even like cover it in resin and stick them in the resin, then they harden in the resin and have like, I decided to not do the grenache. I really like the simplicity of the black around the edges, but there's so many things you can do. I really think that these are cute, and I know these are black and red and moody, but to do with like white roses with some maybe gold sparkle, maybe I'll do that next. So let me know what you guys think. Stay tuned for the final product, but I'm really pleasantly surprised with this cute little craft project. And tell me, are you guys gonna try this craft project or something new, or did it like inspire something fun? Let me know. I love you guys. Have a very happy Valentine's Day. I hope you eat lots of chocolate. Bye. Look at all these roses. Look at all these roses.
Okay, don't spray anywhere in your mom's stuff.
Don't touch my roses. Do not touch my roses. Guys, do you want to wish everyone happy V-Day? Say happy V-Day.
Happy V-Day.